औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद. Today we will define the names of God revealed on different prophets in different religions, in different civilizations, in different cultures. What are the types and how they used in meditation? So let's go to book. There are one letter names, two letter names of God, and number three letter names, four letter names, five letter names. And the different cultures, they are different, but they are names of God. And mostly the spiritual teachers or prophets have used in meditation in ancient times, and some people used them nowadays, such as El in Judaism, this is the two letter name, El. Three letter name is in Hinduism, Om. Three letter names. Four letter names such as Java. Five letters names. If you consider, there will you find letters. Some letters are one. Some names are names of God one letter. Some names of two letters. Some names of three letters. There is the usage is different in different cultures. For example, in Islamic culture, there are Haruf-e-Muqattiyat, the letters that pronounce separately is called Haruf-e-Muqattiyat. Haruf-e-Muqattiyat. Now I am here describing one letter, that is Noon. And Kaf. These letters are one letter names, and this is the codes of the spiritual world. These letters are codes of a spiritual world. Now I am mentioning here two letter names. Two letter names such as Yasin, in English Yasin. Two letters name other is Taha. Taha. And three Hamid. These are two letter names of God. And there are some three letters names, Huruf Muqattiyat, codes of secret divine doors of knowledge. Three letters Alif, Lam, Mim. We say Alif, Lam, Mim. Alif, Lam, Ra. Alif, Lam, Ra. And four letter names Alif, Lam, Mim, Ra. Alif, Lam, Mim, Ra. Alif, Lam, Mim, Ra. These are the four letter name or code of secret divine knowledge. Five letters Kaf, Ya, Ain, Swad. Kaf, Ha, Ya, Ain, Swad. This is five letter name, and other is Alif and Sin, Kaf. Ain, Sin, Kaf. These letters are five letters name of God. Five letters codes that opens the door of divine knowledge and spirituality. In other video, inshallah, we will show, we will tell, we will describe that how these names, how these codes, how these huruf muqattiyat can be used in spirituality, in meditation, and what is their benefits to a man who lives according to the spiritual life. In ancient times, first of all, God revealed the name Om. Om is also three letter combine of Alif, Wow and meme. It consists of three letters and it is revealed on the Prophet. They meditate this name, three letters. In Hinduism, they write him just like this. Is can be right or wrong. You can see because I don't know Hindi. I don't know Sanskrit writing script, but this type of writing is the letter. And first of all, at that time, prophets used or spiritual persons used Om word, Om name to meditate. There is no idol of Om, and there is they got divine knowledges from this word, and in other uh, in other video I will tell details. First of all, God has revealed the knowledge of earth. And if anyone do chants, do spells, meditates, two other spirits come from heart. This is heart. Two spirits come. Other spirits come. Total number is 3. Therefore, God revealed at that time 3-letter name of God. So, inshallah, we will describe how it is beneficial and how we can use these names of God in the spiritual course, divine course. Inshallah, you will get a benefit, and my videos will be beneficial for spiritual persons, spiritual teachers, and those people who are interested in spirituality. They will find good videos. Khuda Hafiz.